Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Litecoin. What's happening with the price of Litecoin and where is the price going in the immediate short term? We're going to analyze the charts, so let's waste no more time and get right into it. Looking at the price of Litecoin right now, it is currently trading at $91.87. We are down about 3.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 2.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at the market cap, currently sitting at $6.67 billion and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $600 million. Looking at the countdown, 112 days away, guys, 112 days away till the Litecoin halving, which is highly anticipated, which takes place on August 3rd, guys. This is going to be huge for Litecoin. A lot of people are sleeping on Litecoin, and that's just a fact at this point. But let's get right into the analysis, guys. Before we get into the analysis, as I've always say, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So once again, guys, we're finding ourselves at the same exact spot for the longest time, especially if we go look at the hourly time frame, and we can get a better understanding. So one thing I want to tell you guys is yesterday we did see the price of Litecoin go above this level of resistance, which is at $96.26 for the first time ever since March 2nd. So that is definitely a positive thing to take away from this, but unfortunately the price was unable to break above there, and actually it was unable to close above there. But one thing we do need to keep in mind is that Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a retracement, so those are some factors we need to keep in mind. But as I say that, I believe we're getting closer than ever before to see Litecoin break out of this level of resistance, guys, and set itself a new yearly high, which would be above $105. So we could be seeing a 3-digit Litecoin very soon. And I think this time around, unless Bitcoin were to see a massive retracement, which again, I would totally be fine if Bitcoin were to retrace down to $25,000. I would totally be okay with that. But you know, the chances of that happening is a little low right now because the momentum is still on BTC's side, but we could see a little bit of shake off happening. You know, whales tried to shake out all these longs, and obviously you guys know the good old futures trading, but I don't want you guys to get involved in that. You guys know my stance. I hate futures trading, leverage trading, and all my viewers, I strongly encourage you guys to stay away from anything that has to do with leverage trading. But going back to our point, yeah, Litecoin, guys, Litecoin is looking very bullish. You know, we are seeing the momentum building up, and the OTC purchases that are happening in Litecoin have been increasing. So that should tell you guys a lot. And, you know, going back to everything, you know, I've been reading a little bit of comments here and there. Some people come out and say, oh, Litecoin hasn't pumped up at all. Litecoin is boring, this and that. Look at the resistance we're facing, guys. This level of resistance should not be taken with a grain of salt. It's a massive level of resistance. Last time in the previous bull cycle, so December 16th of 2020, when we broke out of this level of resistance, look what happened to the price. The bull run started. So this should show you how important this level of resistance is and why it's been so hard for the price of Litecoin to break above here. But I do believe that time is coming to an end. A lot of people, I'm very optimistic, but at the end of the day, only time is going to tell. But the history always, you know, does not, you know, should not be underestimated is what I'm trying to say. Basically, you know, I've been making YouTube videos for quite some time. I'm not a new influencer. I've been in the cryptocurrency markets in 2016. And, you know, all these old videos, if I made it on Cardano, vechain, ethereum, you name it, people come back, you know, the people that stumble upon my videos from back in the day, they come back to it now and say, wish we listened, wish we picked some up around then. But obviously you snooze, you lose, right? And a lot of that is going to happen, but because not everyone's going to win in this market. If you think everyone's going to win in this market, that's just not realistic, because there has to be flooders, there has to be haters out there, and some people have to lose in order for some people to make it. And we want to be the ones that make it. And in order for you to make it, patience is your number one key to follow. Always invest what you can afford to lose, and always diversify your portfolio. If you have done that, make yourself an exit strategy, and just have patience, and that would be your best friend in my personal opinion. I really do believe once we kick into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, things are about to start getting exciting for Litecoin, and the countdown has started, and I believe time is very near for LTC. And also, if you're new to the markets, you guys want a little bit more information on exit strategy, why it's important, giving you guys examples of exit strategies. I am working on whole like PDF where I'm going to be talking about the difference, why it's important, why you should have an exit strategy in place, and different ways you can make an exit strategy for your personal portfolio. That is going to be live maybe in a week and a half, so be on the lookout for that. I am going to be not charging crazy amounts for that, only maybe $7 to $10. That would be the range for that, but it would be beneficial considering you would be locking in profits. So I'm pretty sure that is worthwhile. I'm not charging thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars, but obviously it does help out my channel for the time I am putting into this. So if you guys want to purchase that, let me know in the comment section below, and I will keep you guys updated on that. But that is it for today's update. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.